Leather Coat is our easy-to-use leather sealant, which is safe on any type of automotive leather. It will prevent the leather of discoloration, it will prevent it of spills and dirt. So let's see how it works. Before you start using Leather Coat, make sure your leather is really clean by using Leather Cleaner Mild or Leather Cleaner Strong. After that, you can start with application. Use little product on this microfiber applicator and apply it in small sections. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, come back and check with the microfiber, wipe after, and your leather is clean and safe for the next 3 months. This product is really concentrated, so there is no need of a lot of product on your applicator. Use less product and you will have optimal protection.